Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Portmore. We are on Dawkins Drive now, heading towards the Portmore Mall. But we're going to drive and take a tour of what they call Back Road. The actual name for the road is Fort Augusta Drive, but everybody just calls it Back Road. So we're going to take a tour of that today. So that's the Portmore Mall on the left. And we are on Dawkins Drive, and then we're going to turn on to George Lee Boulevard and then head over to Back Road. You see all these taxis parked out here. It's so funny, once I see a police car coming around, everybody moves off. We actually have a video of a police car. We're behind the police car, and the police car was driving around, and you should see how everybody scatter, every car gone. Alright, on the left is Tasty Patties. Over here is a bus stop. On the left is Megamart. On the right is Passage Fort, a residential area called Passage Fort. On the left is Edgewater, another very popular community. So Bridgeport High School on the right, and straight ahead is Port Henderson Drive, or Port Henderson Road. So if we turn right, we'd head towards the Greater Portmore area. We're going to turn left and go on to Back Road. Alright, so we're now going on to back road. And this is, the correct name is Fort Augusta Drive. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.